A success story of Langrabu model with zero landfill and zero incinerator, thanks to the collaboration from Indochina Intersection Development Institute, Naresuan University, Ratchapat Kamphaengphet University, Kamphaengphet Provincial Administrative Organization, Langrabu Municipality, local administrative organizations, and Wong Panit Garbage Recycle Separation Plant that work together with a mutual objective in easing waste issues by converting waste to valuables for long-term environmental protection. Vision: Zero Waste. Action: Converting waste to valuables. Policy: No landfill, no incinerators, serve as a learning center for converting waste into valuables. Action Plan 1. To educate communities, schools, and organizations to add value to waste by separating them into types. 2. To raise awareness and encourage people to separate and sell recyclables, collect the non-recyclables for converting into RDF and making compost out of organic waste. 3. To set up a recycling center in each area to facilitate those who want to sell the sorted garbage. 4. To set up a collection point for non-recyclable waste for producing into RDF. 5. To seek collaboration from the government, public, private, and education sectors in environmental protection by converting waste to valuables. Wong Panit 8-Step Green Technology for Highly Successful Recycling of Asian Waste, RDF Production, and Management to Organic Waste. Step 1. Separate all organic waste from the mixed waste. Remove other inorganic waste such as chloride, chemicals, and hazardous waste like fluorescent tubes and batteries. The leaf and branch waste will be shredded. Step 2. Separate the recyclables such as paper, glass, plastic, metal, etc. to be used for recycling. Step 3. Sieve the remaining waste to remove soil, stones, sand, cement, and other construction waste, which will be used as RDF. 4. Remove the high moisture content from waste like plastic bags, strings, shoes, clothes, tires, and other waste by using high-speed spinning machines in order to get high calorific value. Step 5. Put the waste through coarse grinding and fine grinding in order to get the correct size for the next process. Step 6. Mix leaf and branch waste with the various kind of waste such as plastic bags, strings, shoes, clothes, and tires to get the right consistency with the optimum calorific value for burning. Step 7. Send the mixed waste sample to the laboratory for verification of the calorific value, moisture content, higher heating value, sulfur, chloride, specific gravity, and the maximum dimension of 25 mm as specified by the buyers. Step 8. Transportation of the RDF to the end users such as power plants, cement factories, lime producing factories, and paper mills. The price of RDF. The price of RDF depends on its contents and calorific values. However, in order to utilize RDF, one must consider different factors such as safety issues, environmental impacts, consistency of supply for the high-demand users. Waste foam management. Although there are many types of foam, but the only type of foam that is recyclable and sellable is EPS foam. EPS foam is widely used in packaging to protect fragile equipment such as televisions, computers, and furniture. Impurities such as stickers, papers, and ropes will be removed from foam scrap. Then the foam will be melted and the size will be reduced by 95% after the melting process. Melted foam blocks are sold to different users to produce photo frames, toys, stationery, and other products. Waste fluorescent tubes are managed by a Japanese technology with the capacity of 450 tubes per hour. The process starts with crushing the glass tubes and separate aluminum caps for recycling. The fluorescent powder, which contains mercury, will be filtered and safely disposed at the secured landfill. There are both valuables and valueless things in the nature. We don't only use the valuables, but will try to convert the non-valuables to valuables.